Did you know that hackers have found a way to steal millions right under your nose on LinkedIn, and they are using AI to do it? Today, I'm revealing how North Korean hackers pulled off a $10 million heist, the sneaky tricks they are using, and how you can avoid falling victim to their scams. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to look out for to protect yourself. Stay tuned. This might just save your career and wallet. Alright guys, let's dive in. Here's the story. A North Korean hacking group known as Sapphire Slate has been running an elaborate scam on LinkedIn, guys. Over just 6 months, they've stolen over $10 million worth of cryptocurrency. How? By posing as recruiters and even venture capitalists. Yes, venture capitalists. They are not just after your resume, they're after your wallet. They create fake LinkedIn profiles that look super professional. We are talking Goldman Sachs level convincing. They'll message you, offer you a job, or express interest in investing in your company. Sounds flattering, right? But here's the trap. They'll ask you to complete a quick skill assessment or join an online meeting. That's where the nightmare begins. When you try to access the fake meeting, you see an error message saying you need to contact the administrator for help. Once you do, they send you a file, either Mac or Windows, and guess what? That file secretly downloads malware onto your computer. Boom, now they have access to your system, your passwords, and even your cryptocurrency wallet. But wait, it gets crazier. They are also using AI tools like Faceswap to make their LinkedIn photos look more professional. Some even use voice changing software to sound legit during calls. These hackers are playing chess while most of us are playing checkers. This isn't just about stealing money, guys. North Korea is dispatching IT workers abroad to take remote jobs, steal intellectual property, and spread malware. They're using platforms like GitHub and LinkedIn to create fake portfolios and resumes, all powered by AI tools. So how can you stay safe? Here are 3 quick tips. 1. Verify profiles. Always check the recruiter's profile for inconsistencies or red flags like vague job descriptions. 2. Avoid suspicious links. Don't click on links or download files from people you don't know. Last but not the least, enable security features. Use 2-factor authentication on all accounts and invest in strong antivirus software. This is just one example of how cybercriminals are evolving with AI. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, share this video to warn your friends, and subscribe for more tips on staying safe in the digital world. Let's outsmart the scammers together. See you in the next video.
Online safe, night and day, protection in every way. Guard your world from a cyber threat with a shield you won't forget. Navigate through a cyber sea. Trust in us, you'll be worry-free. Firewalls and passwords strong. Here with us you belong. Digital defense, don't you stress. We got your back in this mess. One-stop shop for all you need. In cybersecurity we lead. Encrypted paths and layered walls, there for you whenever danger calls. Securing every single byte, keeping you safe day and night. Bytes and codes we understand. Your digital world is in good hands. From phishing scams to malware's lair, we'll be the ones to keep you there. Digital defense, don't you stress. We got your back in this mess. One-stop shop for all you need. In cybersecurity we lead. Bytes and codes we understand. Your digital world is in good hands. From phishing scams to malware's lair, we'll be the ones to keep you there. Digital defense, don't you stress. We got your back in this mess. One-stop shop for all you need. In cybersecurity.